GSG presents Whiting Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudon, a text application specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today, I want to introduce you to Vortex Polywhite. What makes Vortex Polywhite stand out? It's very economically priced without losing any of the quality of other polywhites that are on the market. All right, we're going to do a couple of test prints with the Vortex Polywhite on 100% polyester red garments, which are notorious bleeders. You get a lot of dye migration through these. We're going to go ahead and print the Vortex Polywhite through a 110 mesh using a 60-90-60 durometer squeegee. And we're going to do 2 prints, flash, in a single print. And we'll show you the nice matte finish, fiber matte down that you can achieve with this ink. As you can see, no issues clearing the screen. Since most polywhites are a little thicker than your standard plastisol, they'll sometimes tend to hold up in the mesh. The Vortex Polywhite clears it every time. Another great benefit with Vortex Polywhite, extremely fast flashing. Now we're going to do our second print, or our top coat, single print stroke. Now we're ready to go ahead and put it through the dryer. Vortex Polywhite is going to cure at the standard 320 degrees. There you have it, one color, Vortex Polywhite, 100% polyester, no dye migration, really nice matte finish, soft feel, very good stretchability, cured 320 degrees. For more information on screen printing, visit goodopacity.com and follow us on social media.